We guide you through how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership subscription on both iPhone and your Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Amazon app or go to the website and make sure you are logged in into your account. Then tap the menu icon, usually the three lines at the bottom or top of your screen. Scroll down and select Account or Your Account. From there, look for Prime Membership or Manage Prime Membership and tap it. Once you're inside, find the option that says Manage Membership. Then tap End Membership or Cancel Membership. Amazon will show you a few prompts trying to keep you subscribed. Just continue by tapping Continue to cancel until you reach the final confirmation. Then select Cancel Membership to complete the process. And if you're still within a billing cycle, you may still have access to Prime benefits until it ends. So make sure to double check your renewal date to avoid being charged again.